once told me that you love me. I hope you mean it in trying times. I'm not asking you to carry my load or be involved with me in crimes. It's a tough world out there and everyone is ripping their grinds. Let's hustle together and be up when the crow cries and sunrise. It's impossible to imagine my life with the absence of your presence. I wish I could slowly drift and cut all the spaces and distance between us. Insecurities, we need to click and bond more like twins. I'm the son of God, he said he's the king. Well then I guess I'm the prince. My life is a mess, but I really do not wish to look back with regrets. Challenge is a curse, but I'm not giving up and living according to my haters' plans. Because it's a temple of God and I have it covered with angels' hands. Dark side watch out, I'm spitting holy water and demon burns. I need to create a path to follow and establish my future. Be buddy with my books and spend more time with the tutor. I know I'm good looking ladies, but I need a child that's mature. The one you would stare at and actually wish to see their female producer. Have angelic eyes and make you wish that you had your own. Take tremendous good care of the kid until they're all fully grown. And they could be proud to the ground about the things they built and the few they own. Forgive them for their mistakes so they don't cry in their souls. Because
as much as I hate you, I hate you, love. As much as I hate you, I hate your love. But I never wanna see you cry. But I never wanna see you cry.
As much as I hate you like, as much as I hate you like,
I hate your lies.
But I never wanna see you cry. But I never wanna see you cry.
as my parents brought me up with respect, love and loyalty, I still need to work harder and shine so I could say thanks formally. With good deeds, righteous heart, pride and integrity, till they could smile from within and realize how much they complete me. Dear folks, I know I was not the easiest kids to raise, but this generation is messed up. I also have moments that I wish I could erase, like selecting those fat dark days, like hunters viciously strike their prey, and gently play soul trying days to successful days. And allow you to state facts, cause I just wanna say thanks. In fact, I wish you never regret shit about me. I'm not trying to be the black sheep of the family, I also wanna be looked at proudly. I mean, nobody said growing up would be easy, peasy. Dealing with so much green in my head, vegetables, peasy. Why is this veg stuck in my head? People are gonna think I'm stingy. I should be enjoying it with a fucking knife, macaroni and cheesy. Dear Lord, bless me from all the stress caused by my own mess. I know you could give me more blessings, but then you could also give me less. I wish you grant me access to the White House of the heavens. I'm clean, I'm smokeless, bless me, yes, yes.
As much as I hate you, I hate you, love. As much as I hate you, I hate your love. But I never wanna see you cry. But I never wanna see you cry. As much as I hate you, love. As much as I hate you, love. I hate your love. But I never wanna see you cry. But I never wanna see you cry.
I live to wear a smile even when my heart endures more pain. I know our prayers come to the Lord as many as ocean sandy grains, but he answers all in good time, and in the end he put a smile on your face. That's what I call a good God. Oh yes, holy grace. Let me love you freely, give your heart a few wings. Red Bull, I'm a soldier not killing. Pen is my weapon and writing I can't be cruel. With united loved ones, we spread over faster than fire fuels. Bending over pools and brainwashing geniuses to fools. I mean, look at these tycoons who actually stubbornly refuse to cruise and enjoy fruit bowls with snacks and expensively bought goods. I mean, their brains are rotting from too much drugs and unnecessary misuse. White power deals, you should get back to work and still stuck with his tools. He's actually so high, the only thing he could do right now is stare at his shoes. Life is no instrumental beat, but you could see him floating with the blues. Kraig is my name, and I'm involved with masters, dealers and crooks.